Hello everybody, here is a quick video that shows you how you find the lecture notes, the scribbles that I do in the lecture. So go to Teams on your tablet or your computer. Okay, then you choose the module that you are interested in, for example, BIOS 3000, the molecules of life. Click on that. And then you go to General. That is where everything happens. General. You come up with a whole list, but the interesting part is here, Files. Okay, and here you've got all the scribbles in PDF form. So, for example, here, the scribble from the lecture on DNA analysis. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.